Hello again, everyone. Mike Robinson here. I hope that you continue to be well and that your loved ones are well also. Everyone here at the law firm still is well, as are our families. And of course, we're very grateful for that. I'd like to take this opportunity to acknowledge our team. Deanne, Danielle, Merica, Cassandra. Although I am not surprised, I continue to be impressed at how well they are handling what is candidly a very difficult situation. They have had to learn new technology, they've had to learn it very quickly, and they've not only done that, but they've put it to work in a way that allows us to continue meeting our client needs. It also allows us to continue our mission of educating the community about estate planning and about elder law. And they've done it all with remarkably good humor as well. So a shout out to the team. I also wanted to take this opportunity to let you know how we plan to operate over the course of the next several weeks. As I'm sure all of you know, New York State is slowly reopening its business community. That started on May 15 with certain types of businesses. And this is part of the governor's four-phase plan of reopening the state, as he says. Professional services, such as law offices, are part of phase two of the plan. And if everything goes very well with phase one, phase two should begin in the beginning of June, possibly as early as June 1. But we probably will open much more cautiously than otherwise might be allowed. And the reason for that is, my number one concern is for everyone's safety, the safety of the people here on our team and their families, but also your safety and the safety of your families. And the reality is, most of you, either because of age or health conditions, or maybe both, are of the population group that is most at risk for serious results of contracting the COVID-19 coronavirus. So I want to make sure that, yes, we're still doing what you need to have done, but that we're doing it in a way that keeps you as safe as possible. So to that end, even though we may be allowed to have more people here in the office, and as those of you who've been to the office know, we have plenty of room to keep everybody at a safe distance. Nonetheless, we're still going to be limiting the number of team members who are in the office on any given day. And those who are not physically here will continue working remotely. We also are going to continue not having meetings here in the office. We will continue meeting with you either through video arrangements or over the telephone for signing meetings, as many of you know, because we have been executing documents here over the last several weeks. For some, we have the ability to do that remotely also through video arrangements. And for many of you, you've taken advantage of what we're calling the drive-up signing, which has been working very well. That's where when it's time to execute your documents, you drive up into the parking lot, and the team members who need to be involved come out to your car. We're wearing masks and gloves. We have clipboards with the documents that need to be executed. Those clipboards are disinfected after every use as well. We maintain a safe distance, but we're able to witness, notarize, and make sure that you're able to have your documents executed in a way that is legally valid. And it allows us to do all of that in a way that that keeps you safe as well. We continue to limit actually the access to the office by anyone other than delivery people and the janitorial staff. We're making sure that other people are not in the office. This allows us to make sure that all surfaces remain clean and sanitized, so that when we are working on documents that you might have to handle at some point, we're as sure as we can possibly be that those documents are safe for anyone to handle. So that's what we're looking at going forward. Certainly, as things get better, and I'm confident that they will, we will be able to relax some of these measures. But as I say, my primary concern right now is to keep everyone as safe as possible, and we know that we're able to do that by utilizing these procedures. So nobody's legal needs are going unmet. We're just doing it differently in a way that, again, keeps everyone as safe as possible. And I do look forward to the day, and I know it's coming. We just don't know when we are all going to be able to get together in person and in a very comfortable manner. So continue to be well. As always, we're here for whatever needs you have, even if it's not something that's directly related to a service we provide. If there's anything we can be helpful with, and including steering you towards other resources that might be helpful, please don't hesitate to reach out. So stay well, and we'll talk again soon.